This tutorial will instruct you on how to navigate the Gale Book Review Index Plus database. This database is useful for a number of different applications. For instance, if you are a librarian looking for helpful reviews about books to add to your collection, you might begin your search here. This is a great place to visit when looking for contemporary reviews because it offers access to a wide range of review publications that would otherwise cost a fortune to subscribe to. There are 5 million review citations from thousands of publications, with links to more than 630,000 full-text reviews. We will be showing you a few different ways to find a particular review within the database and some of the helpful tools along the way that will allow you to do so. We will begin by clicking on Publication Search. There are a number of fields that can be used to narrow down results. You can choose to search for publications with full text, peer-reviewed publications, publication format, and you can also enter a date range, country of publication, and language. Click on List All Publications. You can see that there are 9,578 publications included in this expansive database. Using the table on the right side of the page, you can choose to find publications by selecting a specific subject, format, target audience, country of publication, and language of publication. If you would like to check the coverage of a particular publication, conduct a search for the publication's name at the top of the page. When you hover your mouse over the title, you will see a list of details pop up, including the index coverage in total and which portion of the coverage includes full-text entries. For example, we can see that Publishers Weekly includes full-text coverage from January 1990 to present day. Now we'll conduct an advanced search. You'll notice common features including Boolean searching and different modifiers that can be used to limit results. In the More Options section, you can once again choose from full-text reviews, peer-reviewed journals, and enter a specific date range. We will practice searching for reviews about a specific author. First, select Author of Work from the drop-down menu next to the search box. As you begin typing your search query, you'll notice that a box pops up with a list of names in the database that begin to match your query. When the correct name pops up, click the name, then click Search.
In the table on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see that all of the results are broken down into 3 main categories: academic journals, magazines, and news. Each of these categories are further broken down by publication date, subjects, document types, and publication titles. Let's click on Magazines. Expand the box for publication title, and you'll see that a list of all magazines in the database that include reviews for works by this author. Let's say you want to find a review from a particular magazine, such as Kirkus Reviews. When you click on Kirkus Reviews, it displays every review on a work of that author's within that publication. Now let's say you're looking for a review on a specific book title. To do this, you first remove the search limitation for publication title by clicking the X. Now you're back to your original page with all the results. Next, you'll navigate to the Search Within Results box on the right side of the page. We'll conduct a search for Night of Sorrows, and we see that the title is reviewed in 5 different magazines. From here, there are a couple of different ways to access the full text of a review. First, let's say we want to see the book's review in Kirkus Reviews. We will simply click on the title of the results, and we are taken to a page with the full text of the review. If you are planning to use this review for an essay, you can copy and paste any part of the review for an in-text citation. For your Works Cited page, the MLA citation is conveniently located at the bottom of the page. There are additional tools on the right-hand side of the page. For example, we can click on Citation Tools to find other citations for the review in APA, Chicago, and previous MLA styles. You can also use this toolbox to email, download, or print a copy of the review. Sometimes accessing the full text of a review is not as straightforward as this case was, but it is still possible. For example, let's try to click on the title for the New York Times review of this book. You will see that the page we're taken to does not include any text, only the MLA citation and other tools. Fear not, in this instance we can simply go back one page and then click on Open URL for this review. Doing this will take you to a new page in the Gale Literary Index. Click on the title on this page, and you are taken to a new page that includes the full text of the New York Times Review. As in the previous instance, the MLA citation is located at the bottom of the page, and all the same helpful tools can be accessed by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right-hand side of the page. This has been a brief summary of how to browse the Book Review Index Plus database. Using the search methods we have outlined in this tutorial will allow you to navigate this expansive and useful database quickly and efficiently.